My name is Arvind, and I'm a rising freshman at Mountain View High School. For my final milestone, or my modifications milestone, I was able to complete a 3D printed design for housing for my Arduino and breadboard. My project is the garage parking assistant, which tells vehicles to stop if it gets closer to the ultrasonic sensor, and or if they have enough space to move freely in the garage if it's the light is yellow or green. Um, this works because there's this breadboard that takes power from this 5-volt power wall plug, and it gives power to this entire breadboard power rail. And all the components for the project are plugged into this power rail. For instance, the ultrasonic sensor here, its wires are plugged into this power rail, which is gaining power from the 5 volts, as well as like the Arduino itself. It's also getting its power from this power rail. And yeah, the Arduino, of course, it's getting the code to make the lights in the LEDs work in accordance to the ultrasonic sensor. Here's a quick demonstration. So as I put my hand closer, the light will begin to start flashing red. Indicates the SOS zone. Then there are 4 zones. The first is the SOS zone. That's where it's currently seeing. Then about 20 centimeters back, there's a red zone, like this. It'll be just solid red, indicating that you're pretty close to the wall, but you're not in like an SOS kind of place. And then if you go even more 20 centimeters back, you'll get to the third zone, which is the yellow zone, which is like, okay, you have like a little bit of room to move around. You have a little bit wiggle room. And then finally the green zone, when you have plenty of space to work around in the garage. A few challenges that occurred to me in this milestone was actually CADing the design for this. It's a bit tricky to get the tolerances correct for these holes and like these two over here to make sure that it has a flush fit. The ultrasonic sensor has a flush fit at the end in order for these two to have plenty of space as well and the wires to have also enough space at the top. And another problem was actually having enough space inside here, so making everything sturdy and not wiggle around. But after using a bit of electrical tape, I was able to make it sturdy and not wiggle around. And going forward, I would like to make a LCD screen that will display all of the readings for distance from this ultrasonic sensor.